This is Virtual Nick, and I will be testing out the AI-generated video to see if we could possibly use this for people who don't want to get in front of the camera for their online video testimonials. Here we go! The importance of online reviews, statistics, and insights. Online reviews have become a crucial aspect of any business's digital presence. Whether you own a small local store or a large e-commerce website, online reviews can have a significant impact on your business's reputation, credibility, and bottom line. In this blog post, we will discuss the importance of online reviews and share some compelling statistics that highlight their significance. The power of word-of-mouth recommendations. Online reviews serve as digital word-of-mouth recommendations. People trust the opinions of others, and the same goes for online reviews. In fact, a survey conducted by Bright Local found that 84% of people trust online reviews as much as they trust personal recommendations. This means that online reviews can have a substantial influence on a consumer's decision to purchase a product or use a service. Increased visibility and credibility. Online reviews also play a vital role in increasing a business's visibility and credibility. Positive reviews can help a business rank higher in search engine results, making it more likely that potential customers will find it. At the same time, negative reviews can harm a business's reputation and drive customers away. The importance of responding to reviews. Responding to online reviews is just as important as having them in the first place. A study by Review Trackers found that businesses that respond to reviews see an average rating increase of 0.12 stars. Additionally, responding to reviews shows customers that a business values their opinions and is willing to address any issues they may have. The impact on sales. The impact of online reviews on sales is significant. A survey conducted by Spiegel Research Center found that products with more reviews have a higher average order value and a higher conversion rate. The study also found that customers are more likely to purchase products with an average rating of 4 stars or higher. Final thoughts. In conclusion, online reviews have become a crucial aspect of any business's digital presence. With the power to influence consumer decisions, increase visibility and credibility, and impact sales, online reviews should not be ignored.